Imagine you have a flat, two-dimensional concept, and you want to turn it into a living, breathing, fully stylized three-dimensional world. In this course, across 42 lessons in 19 hours, we'll walk that exact path together, from zero to a finished scene with nothing left out. First, we'll understand what stylized really means and how it differs from realistic. You'll learn how to take the form, the shape, and the materials of a scene and shape them into your own style. Then we'll analyze a reference board, build a solid plan, and get to work. Using Unreal's modeling tools, you'll model and sculpt directly inside Unreal. No jumping between different programs. You'll set up your project, create a scale guide, and bring your environment to life, phase by phase. Next comes the terrain. You'll sculpt your landscape and build a smart material that lets you paint different layers with ease. The foliage section is a whole chapter on its own. Stylized grass, flowers, and trees using opacity, masks, and trim sheets, along with wind animation that breathes life into your scene. Then, advanced materials await. Stylized rocks with tiling textures that stay sharp at any size, completely independent of UVs, plus full RVT support. And a whole world of visual effects with Niagara, from wind lines and falling leaves to dust, fireworks, and dandelions drifting through the breeze. Finally, the sky. You'll build clouds with fog cards, you'll define paths with spline blueprints, you'll add detail with vertex color, and you'll set the final cinematic look with post-process and LUTs. And at the very end, using the sequencer, you'll render a final animation of your own environment. A clean, professional render ready to show the world. From a single, simple concept to a living, stylized world that you build from scratch. This course is made exactly for you.